extremely delighted to be here in Koro, especially in the village of Kade, to be part of the commissioning of the Kade Village and Kade Village School Water Project. For those of us here today, this is the beginning of a new era. No longer will the villagers of Kade have to endure the challenges faced by their forefathers. No longer will they plead with government annually for emergency water cartage, and no longer will they have to leave Kade for sure because of the lack of supply of clean and safe drinking water. More importantly, they will no longer have to suffer from illness caused by drinking contaminated water. Science clearly states that human beings can survive 3 weeks without food, but where water is concerned, most people can go on 3 to 4 days without it. According to Dr. Tedros of the WHO, in 2017, safe water, sanitation, and hygiene at home should not be a privilege of only those who are rich or live in urban centers, but these are some of the most basic requirements for human health, and all countries have a responsibility to ensure that everyone can access them. Sadly, clean water is still inaccessible for some parts of Fiji and of course in the world as well, and will remain that way until governments or partners are willing to take a stand. Water security is important for every individual and community. It is the cornerstone for development and the basis for human survival. This is why it is a right enshrined in the 2013 Constitution and is also stipulated in the 5-year and 20-year National Development Plan. A government that deprives communities of access to clean drinking water directly violates the rights and morals of the communities concerned. But ladies and gentlemen, development of any type cannot be sustainable if it is undertaken by a single agency. History has taught us that not only through partnership are we able to ensure the sustainability of any endeavor. This is why the public and private partnership between local communities, civil societies, NGOs, and international donor agencies is critical. There is no greater example of this drive for such partnership than the water projects that we are commissioning today. The Kade Village and Kade Village School Water Project is jointly funded by the European Union via Natural Addition Water of Fiji, Latter-day Saints Charity, Rotary Pacific Water Foundation, and the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and Disaster Management. The nature of this cooperation should be an example to future partnerships. The endeavor to bring into fruition the dream of every Kade villager to access safe drinking water costs over $90,000. While the cost may seem exuberant to some, the real need on the ground outweighs any financial contribution because this project has quenched the proverbial thirst of generations of Kade villagers. As Thomas Fuller once said, we never know the worth of water until the well is dry. To conclude, I want to thank everyone involved in this project, from the villagers who labored under tough conditions, the staff of Rotary Pacific Water Foundation, and the donors for their financial contribution. Years from now, we will look back at this moment and remember the smiling faces, and we will feel content because we were the ones that put the smiles on those faces. Nasa waleu na visa na mali kosea sa kamu kiki leo kwa kwa sidi la leo ni na kaiwa ye Kade na sinsa. Nasa waleu.